Левон Артюнян и Лисуне Акджанян предварительные выводы о современном состоянии гнездовой популяции беркута в Армении.
Okay, hello. Hello, dear colleagues. Hello, dear friends. I hope you had a refreshing coffee break because I was a bit busy with worrying. So today I want to talk a bit about some preliminary results of our studies of golden eagle in Armenia. And I'm representing the NABU Armenian branch. Yeah, the project is a part of a bit large project, let's say, which calls the research and conservation of birds of prey. So our initial, the target species were 4 vulture species. Those were Egyptian bearded, griffon, and cinereous vultures. But then we included the golden eagle and plan to work in the future with the lesser spotted eagle. And yeah, a little bit about the study area. Maybe most of you're not familiar with the location of Armenia. So it's a small country, a landlocked country in the South Caucasus, with a relatively small area, about 29,700 kilometers squares. I just learned that there are protected areas in Kazakhstan with this size. So the area is mainly mountainous, about 95%, and the mean elevation is 1,800 above the sea level. And as it's mountainous, it provides a lot of good habitat for breeding for the raptor species. And we have, I think, more than 40 registered raptors, and many of them breed in our territory. This project that I want to tell about is, as I said, relatively new. So we started it in this year, since the mid-February, and lasted until the mid-June. And during this time, we managed to study 7 regions of Armenia. As you can see on the right, they are highlighted in yellow. And they are actually quite different from each other, these regions, because Armenia is small, but it has several landscape types. And yeah, before the field studies, we did some literature research because it was really unclear for us, and I'm sure for many other researchers in Armenia, what's the actual size of the population or what's done with this species, because one of the least studied species in Armenia. Of course, there were some relatively large scale studies in the South Caucasus, which was done by Alexander Abuladze. He was here. I think he's missing now. According to the literature, in 2002, there were estimated from 15 to 25 pairs. And in 2004, that was Abuladze's data. And in 2004, according to the BirdLife estimation, there were from 20 to 80 pairs of golden eagle, a bit large gap. And according to our Red Book, which was published in 2010, there are from 34 to 38 pairs. So it's really confusing and doesn't show the actual conditions. So of course we were in contact with some other researchers who had not published data, and the numbers are really different. So the methods we used also together with the classical methods, like going in the field, finding suitable locations, scanning the rocks with the different optics with different magnification. We use also the UAVs.
How did you find the nests? Were there adult birds at the places, or just found by chance in suitable locations?
This nesting territories we divided I mean, we saw birds flying in that areas, but also we were, I mean, detected the nests which were quite close. I mean, there was a bunch of nests together, and the other area, quite far from that area, the nests were again together, but yeah, of course.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, we got to move on. Thank you.